How to check recently unadded friends on Snapchat. In this tutorial, I will guide you on how to check recently unadded friends on Snapchat. The first step is to open the Snapchat application. Once you are on the homepage, tap on the Bitmoji or profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Snapchat account. On the profile page, go ahead and tap on the settings icon, which looks like a gear and appears at the top right corner. This will open the settings page of Snapchat. On the settings page, scroll down slowly until you find the option named My Data and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will be directed to a new page. Wait for the page to finish loading and you will see different types of data you can request from Snapchat. By default, all the data types will be selected, and that is fine. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on the Next button. On the next page, you will be asked to choose the date range for the data you want to request. You can set the date range depending on when you think the friend was unadded. Next, make sure you enter the email address where you want to receive the data in the provided text box. Once done, tap on Submit. Snapchat will process your request and send you an email once the data is ready. In that email, you will find a link to download your Snapchat data. When you open the file, you will be able to see the history of your friends, including recently unadded friends. This process is straightforward, and although it may take some time for Snapchat to prepare the file, it is very effective. I hope this tutorial has helped you find the solution you need. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to check recently unadded friends on Snapchat.